In today's multi-domain battlespace, identification and tracking of the high number of targets in a warship surveillance area is becoming more and more difficult, particularly considering anti-access aerial denial capabilities of potential adversaries. Target identification and behavior-based predictive track vector generation through artificial intelligence and machine learning technology, combined with current Aegis real-time modeling and simulation-based combat systems, has the potential to, quote, fill in the gaps, unquote, presented in a communications and/or sensor-challenged electromagnetic environment. In such an environment, both organic and non-organic sensor data updates may be intermittently delayed or completely unavailable for an indeterminate period. Through SBIR N191-032, the Navy has asked Mosaic ATM to provide a capability in the current Aegis and future combat systems to estimate track position, velocity, and so forth during these intermittent periods that will provide operational commanders with real-time modeling-based information. Hello, my name is Captain Miguel Pecco, United States Navy retired, and I am a Senior Program Manager with Mosaic ATM. In my duties as a Program Manager, bringing over 30 years of active duty naval service, 3,000 hours of E2C Hawkeye flight time, and 6 deployments, I work with a team of around 100 brilliant data scientists and software engineers. The name listed on the slide, Captain Jim Gardner, United States Navy retired, is that of my colleague who can also help answer any of your questions, but I've recently taken over as the lead program manager for this effort. Formed in 2004 during the 100th year of powered flight, Mosaic ATM is a small company headquartered in Leesburg, Virginia, with a complement of around 100 staff. We bring our corporate values to bear: scientific rigor, creativity, and collaboration in solving the most complex problems, no matter the industry or customer. We are proud of our culture of innovation and continual improvement focused on meeting customer needs. Whether improving the capacity, efficiency, safety, security, and sustainability of air transportation, assisting commercial organizations, or applying machine learning and artificial intelligence to supporting DoD missions, Mosaic is on task every day. Mosaic ATM scientists, engineers, and subject matter experts, many recognized leaders in their respective industries, combine operational knowledge of the national airspace system with cutting-edge computer science skills, operations research, systems engineering, human factors, and program management. With a proven track record of working with such entities as NASA, the NGA, the FAA, the DoD, Caterpillar, various commercial airlines, and many others, Mosaic provides advanced analytics and engineering services to research, develop, and deploy decision support and automation systems for complex business operations. As a matrix company with both government and commercial business units, our 3 core competencies include Mosaic ATM focusing on research and development, engineering services, and commercial aviation solutions. Making complex artificial and machine learning solutions actionable, explainable, and usable to any organization, Mosaic Data Science focuses a unique blend of data engineering, statistical analysis, business problem solving, and technical deployment services. Made up of software developers and engineers, data scientists, and product development teams, Mosaic Software offers technical and business expertise to convert your strategies into software systems that optimize your business performance. Utilizing experts from our various business units, Mosaic ATM is comprised of highly qualified experts in their fields, experts in their disciplines, as well as those with cross-disciplinary skills perfectly suited to help any business or entity reach their fullest potential. Looking to leverage cutting-edge technology to a warfighter shortfall, the Navy asked Mosaic to provide an artificial intelligence and machine learning capability for target identification and behavior-based predictive track vector generation, combined with real-time modeling and simulation-based combat system targeting and tracking management that fills gaps presented in a communication or sensor-challenged environment. We are leveraging Mosaic's data science and software expertise to greatly enhance the Aegis system's ability to ID and track targets during harrowing periods of lost contact. Mosaic's technology, all software-based, will estimate track vector updates given a combination of prior track behavior, its AI projected target, and the tracked entity's known capability. This project will present probability metrics for each potential predicted track in real time to the operator, with the goal of providing a greater than 50% improvement in probability of successful target engagement when compared to the performance of an operator track picture unassisted or unaugmented by the current Aegis real-time track agent. This project will coordinate simulated track data with the track data of other platforms and perform multi-platform AI-assisted simulated track deconfliction when such data is available. Lastly, this project will reestablish simulated track synchronization with real-world sensor-derived track data when such data again becomes available to the combat system. The current world order depends on a free and open global commons, the high seas. The United States is a maritime nation, and our allies and partners depend on the free flow of commerce around the world. The United States Navy has long depended on the Aegis combat system to support open sea lines of communication, and this effort will enhance America's ability to do just that. Both NAVSEA and NAVAIR platforms will benefit by Mosaic's real-time simulation agent, or RTS agent, developed in this effort, greatly improving the ability of surface combatants to detect, locate, track, and ID contacts even under the most demanding of conditions. By applying AI and ML tools for anomaly detection, behavior-based intent inference, track vector generation, and real-time modeling and simulation, Mosaic's RTS agent will enhance automated tracking and identification of COIs and CCOIs in sensor-challenged environments. Mosaic's RTS agent leverages existing data collection streaming analytics, specifically the Minotaur family of services. By applying ML tools to ID patterns from historical data, AI tools to probabilistically predict longer-term future motion, and real-time modeling and simulation to fuse the ID, short-term and long-term projections, the RTS agent will help, quote, fill the gaps, unquote, of the Aegis combat system surveillance picture during periods of, quote, lost contact, unquote. The bottom right of this slide shows what operators can expect to see when the Aegis combat system loses radar or other forms of contact. This is a display of predictive positions based on a probability over time. Early development focused on integration of algorithm functionality and display using the Extensible Collaboration and Analytics Platform, XCAP, and the Minotaur family of services with years of historical FAA surveillance track files. XCAP is ONR-funded global, all-source, simplified information environment built on a scalable framework to accomplish highly effective modeling and simulation. MFOS, National and Tactical Collection, enables netted operations to capture the pattern of life for ships and aircraft in a worldwide database. Algorithms are dynamic, continuously updated, and will train regularly using worldwide data. This approach will provide backward compatibility to the ship modernization demonstrations as well as validate applicability for future combat systems. The current status slide shows the planned milestones of this SBIR, with TRL 8 being met at the end of fiscal year 2023. With respect to value, this project will confirm COI and CCOI ID with machine learning-based techniques and anomaly detection. Incorporating patterns of life for COIs and CCOIs, the Aegis combat system will have improved short-term track projection accuracy. Incorporating patterns of life for COIs and CCOIs, historical or typical behavior over time is used as part of the calculus to make ID determination. Lastly, understanding COI and CCOI intent with AI-based behavior prediction incorporating potential targets and tactics provides probabilistic long-term track projection capability. The fleet transition plan is listed in this slide with current TRL levels at 5 or 6, with TRL 8 achieved at the end of Phase 2 Option Year 2. This technology can also be commercialized throughout NAVAIR and NAVSEA platforms, the United States Air Force, and even DARPA. Mosaic is focused on algorithm development using legacy historical data. This initial development is for ID and intent to establish a common operating picture. Future markets can be in excess of $15 million in license fees and sales with an internal R&D budget of $500,000 over the next 3 years. Also, Mosaic already has multiple contracts to deploy similar AI and ML solutions in support of civil air traffic management for additional government programs. Currently focusing on ID and intent, future development, threat assessment, and tactical action microservices to facilitate a digital assistant for additional mission areas is feasible. Mosaic would like to team with partners that desire affordable solutions utilizing enhanced ML and AI technology towards complex problems. We can augment any weapon system through a partnership with a government program office or industry prime combat system integrator. With plenty of fleet representative sensor data through years of data collection, Mosaic can adopt our algorithms as soon as we receive access to any combat system track data set. Mosaic is poised to provide high-end data stream analytics capable of wading through an exponential increase in collected data, supplementing finite human analyst resources, and enhancing tactical decision-making. Again, my colleague's name is listed on this slide, but I'm happy to speak with anyone interested in this exciting application of new technology. My name is Miguel Peko, P-E-K-O. My email address is mpeko@mosaicatm.com. My number is 757-618-3306. Please contact me for any questions. By utilizing the latest technique in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, Mosaic ATM can take data that already exists and assist any customer or team in addressing the most complex problems. Send me an email or give me a call, and let's talk about how Mosaic ATM can help ensure America's military overmatch is maintained and even extended during this era of great power competition. Thank you.